Hey everybody, this is Trevor Anderson from StangTV.com. I'm here with Brian Murphy, the CEO of BBK Performance. Brian invited me out to BBK's shop here in Temecula, California to have a little look through the new product lineup for the 2015 Up Mustang and take a ride in a BBK equipped car. Brian, tell me a little bit about BBK. How long have you guys been building Mustang parts?
Trevor, we actually started the company back in 1988. We started with, ironically, the 5-liter Mustang, which it's nice to see the new generation of 5-liter. We actually came out with a couple of new categories back then, which throttle body and air intake, which has now become, standardized bolt-ons for the market.
And so let's start with the cold air induction system. Tell me a little bit about this. Is it a bolt-on kit? Does it require a tune?
All of our kits, especially for the S550 models, everything's designed as a direct application with the stock tune. So on the Coyote motor, for example, that we're looking at, we get about 14 to 17 rear wheel horsepower with the stock tune. We do offer custom tuning through companies like SCT, and they'll load those tune files on all their tuners they send, and that's for all of our products. But for the bolt-on guy, it's a great way to get power. If they want to add more power later on, they always can.
Fantastic. And if they want to add more power, they can move a little upstream the induction system into the throttle body. Tell me about what you guys offer there. Is it a bigger diameter than the OEM?
There's actually, for this model, there's two, just like the 11 to 14. For the 15 and newer Coyote, we have an 85 and a 90 millimeter. We also offer, we have a brand new one that's just coming out now for the EcoBoost. So we have that as well, and then we have the V6 models.
Moving downstream into the exhaust system, you've got your tune length and you've got your full length headers for the Coyote. Tell me a little bit about the differences there.
Yeah, Trevor, one of the things that we did years ago, BBK was known for the direct bolt-on parts. So we did a tune length header for all applications that you can use with your stock converter location or mid-pipe. Those parts are all 50 state EPA legal, so depending on the state. The long tube headers are going to give you the most horsepower. So on the S550, for example, where we'll get 14 to 16 horsepower at the wheels with the tune length, we'll get upwards of 20 to 22 with the long tube, but that's in combination with the new mid-pipe.
Sure.
And so, for the bang for the buck, the tune length actually is a nice little option, but for the guys wanting max power, long tubes.
Definitely. You can gang that exhaust system together with another one of your axle-back H-pipe systems and your Veritune exhausts. Tell me a little bit about those.
Yeah, actually, Trevor, on this model, it's a little different because you also have a resonator delete that's available, but we offer the mid X-pipe or H-pipe assemblies for these, and then we have a Veritune axle-back system. And one of the things that always been a problem on a Mustang is the resonance you'll get at cruising speeds with a lot of the aftermarket mufflers. So we came up with a tunable muffler that actually offers about 9 to 12 decibel difference from open to close. It goes from a 3-chamber to a single chamber. But the other benefit is the ability to offset the side to side and eliminate a lot of the resonance.
Cool. So with just a turn of a wrench, you can change your exhaust note from mild to wild, whether you're comfort cruising on the street or you're going to the track.
Yeah, I do it all the time. Like when my wife drives this car, it's always in the closed position.
Quiet it down a little bit.
Yeah, and it's nice with hands-free to have it cruise quiet, but on the weekend, it's literally 2 minutes aside and it's loud.
The BBK power adders in this 2015 Mustang really set off the new sports car vibe that the S550s are going with. I mean, with new independent rear suspension and these comfy Recaros, man, you can definitely feel like this thing would be at home on the road course as much on the drag strip, in between the lights, going to the grocery store, whatever you're going to do with it. But it brings a whole new attitude to this car, and the throttle response is crisp, the gear changes are smooth, they're tight, close ratios, and that visceral, raw exhaust feel that you get from the BBK kit really plays well with the attitude. And it's red. I mean, what other color do you think you should have with a car this gratuitous, but red? It's fantastic. Hey, I want to thank Brian and everybody at BBK Performance for having me out, showing me their new product line, and letting me beat on this brand new S550. I'll see you guys on the other side.
Am I going to be walking home or is he coming back? I guess we'll see.